In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a workflow in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for different parts of your account. From that left side menu, click on Automation. This will take you to the area where your workflows are stored and managed. If you use workflows often, this is the section where you can organize, edit, and maintain them, including making simple updates like changing a workflow name. After clicking Automation, you'll arrive at the workflow's homepage. Here, you should see a list of your existing workflows. Take a moment to locate the specific workflow you want to rename. If you have a lot of workflows, it helps to scan carefully so you rename the correct one. Once you've found the workflow, move your cursor over it. On the right-hand side of that workflow row, you'll see a set of options. Look for the three dots, which usually open a menu with more actions related to that workflow. Go ahead and click those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, click on Rename Workflow. This opens the option to update the current workflow name without changing any of the workflow's actions, triggers, or settings. You're only editing the label, which can make things much easier to find later, especially if you're cleaning up your account or improving organization. When the rename field appears, delete the current name. Then type in the new name you want to use. Try to choose a name that clearly describes the workflow's purpose, so it's easy to identify in the future. Clear naming can save time, especially if you manage multiple automations for different campaigns, clients, or stages of a process. Once you've entered the new name and you're happy with it, click Save. That will apply the change and update the workflow name in your list. And that's it. Your workflow has now been renamed in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, keeping your workflow names consistent and descriptive can make your automation area much easier to manage over time. If you're working with a larger set of workflows, even small updates like this can make a big difference in staying organized. Thanks for watching, and that's how you rename a workflow in Gohighlevel.